Alright guys, I never use my dishwasher to wash dishes. I always just use it to drain the dishes or dry them or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, I cleaned it out the other day and it's water in here. I noticed. So we're going to clean it out and we're going to actually see how long it actually takes to clean out the dishwasher. Alright? So Alexa, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
So what I'm going to do, we're going to see if 5 minutes would do it or how long it would actually take. So I'm going to take out the cups. Let's see. It's going to take longer than 5 minutes. Alright, so this is how my pots go. Let me see if I can get it in here so you guys can see. How much easier that is for me to deal with. On a pot, you just pull it out. Alright guys, it took me a little bit longer, probably because I'm walking with a cane or what have you. But I'm going to clean this. I put some Clorox in it and let it run. And put a little dishwashing thing in it and let it run. And they're going to be here tomorrow to figure out why it's not draining. Alright guys, I love you. Thank you for hanging out with me as we clear out the dishwasher. Remember guys, we're going to keep cleaning and organizing until our homes feel amazing. Love you. Bye.